Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your science teacher Saba Kiran from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's start. Dear students, topic of the day is rubbish and pollution. Rubbish is waste or unwanted objects that we throw away. Pile of rubbish smells bad. It is dirty and messy, and there are flies flying around it. So we should always throw the rubbish in bin. Dear students, open your science book page number 65 and listen to me carefully. Rubbish and pollution. Look at the picture below. Alicia is saying that pile of rubbish smells bad, and Sarah is saying it is dirty and messy and there are flies flying around it, as we can see in the picture below. Rubbish is waste or unwanted objects that we throw away. Observe the rubbish in the rubbish bin or litter in your school playground. What are some objects that people throw away? But do not handle rubbish with bare hands. Dear students, some types of rubbish are made of natural materials. Look at the pictures below. Paper, metal can, apple core, rubber, and used tea bags. These are the types of rubbish made of natural materials. Now come on page number 67. Some types of rubbish are made of man-made materials. Look at the picture below. Thermocol box, plastic bags, and plastic bottles. These are the types of rubbish made of man-made materials. Observe the litter at your school playground. Are most of the litter made of natural or man-made materials? Pollution. Dear students, rubbish, smoke, dust, and poisonous gases can cause pollution. Dear students, plastic waste in water can injure or kill animals which live in or by the water. Dear students, now open page number 70. Look at the picture below. Here, Alicia is saying there will be more and more plastic waste around. They will take up precious space. Soon, there won't be enough space for all the waste. Help! Ali is saying the plastic waste will make the place dirty and messy, as we can see in this picture. Now Sarah is saying plastic waste in the lakes, river and seas is bad. It can injure and kill the animals which live in or by the water. Dear students, introducing harmful objects such as rubbish to the surrounding is called pollution. Rubbish can pollute the land as well as the water. Dear students, would you rather live in a clean place with clean land, water and air like this? Or would you like to live in a polluted place like this? As I like to live in a clean place with clean land, water and air, because living in a polluted place can be unpleasant and harmful to health. Open page number 75. Living in a polluted place can be unpleasant and harmful to health. A place polluted by rubbish smells unpleasant and looks unsightly. It also attracts a lot of houseflies, mosquitoes, and rats. These insects and animals can carry diseases and make us sick. As we can see in the picture below, a place polluted by rubbish, and there are lots of houseflies and rats. If you live in a place with air or water pollution, you can fall sick by breathing in dirty air or drinking polluted water. Eating food that is cooked with dirty water will also make you sick. So, dear students, we must keep the environment clean. I hope you have learnt a lot from this video. I will need for your feedback. Thank you.